Hey, Jonathan here at TopSaw. Today I'm going to go over my Sena SMH 10 communications unit I just got from Tree Stuff. I'm going to open it up, install it on my Protos helmet, and then test it out and see how it goes. I've heard great things about this, so I'm excited to get it installed and try it out. Here it is, SMH 10. Open it up. That's the charge unit that unsnaps. Controller. The main piece. This must go like that, and then you snap this off. This is how you hold it on there. Microphone. All the sticky pads. I love this Protos helmet. Really expensive. I was afraid to buy it because it was so expensive. But it certainly paid for itself already. Really kind of changed the nature of tree work. This thing will just slide in up here. Okay, let's see where we are. I have the power pack screwed on the back there. Just kind of got it on finger tight there. I'm going to mount the mic right up here at the front of the helmet. I had it in the back by the earmuff here, and the earmuffs didn't work well, so I'm going to mount it right there instead, and then be able to push it right up in front. I'll get this as clean as I can. There's the mic. Fish this wire. Good right there for the mic. Yeah, that'll make these earmuffs work better. And then the mic wire hooks in right here. I'll have to put some tape in there to hold that down. And here's a ear deal. You'll have to put a little cut in there. This one's a little bit shorter wire. Good fit right there. Oh, going too hard, was it? This, go in there. That blocks out sound good. Those things work well. Alright, so I think I have a pretty well fit on there. It works pretty well. Ear must work. There it is there. This is a dual action thing. This is volume. But to turn it on, you hold this back button and this together. And there it's, I don't know if you heard it say hello, so now it's on. And then I only have one thing going right now. I only have the one Sena right now. The real advantage of the Sena, of course, is to communicate in between two helmets. The second one's on its way, but I just paired it to my phone. The way I paired it to my phone is I held that in for 8 seconds, and then I went onto my phone and hit, find new device, pair new device, and then hit the OKs on that. See if I could do that in video at the same. So now it's paired onto my phone. I got a little Pandora going. Volume. Try to hear that. And then turn it off, the two together. And you heard it say goodbye. That's it. Looking good. I like it. This right here, this the power unit on. Just you squeeze that in, and that just comes off. Plug it in. Right here, and then a USB charger on there. That's kind of cool. See how long it lasts. Okay, I have both the Senas hooked up. It's my old cask helmet, which is a groundman helmet, and then this is my new Protos. So to pair the two, took me a while to figure this out. So to turn them on, you hold that button and this, so we'll turn them both on. Now that they're both on, then the pair, I hold both these jog dials down together, 5 seconds. Intercom pairing. Now it's saying intercom pairing, now I push either one of them. Doesn't matter which one, to pair just one other. And then now they're paired. Now the intercom's ready to go. So that's how you set up the pairing between the two. The Bluetooth between them is really cool. I work a lot by myself. So if I just have this on my phone in my pocket, I actually really like it a lot. So I have immediate call out if I'm up in a tree. And then I'm curious to see how it goes on the ground, but so far I've really liked it a lot. It's a little heavy on the back of the helmet. Definitely the Sena fits better on the back of the Protos than on this cast helmet. This thing sticks out pretty far. So. Alright, well I just turned the video on. So here's the video. Hi everyone, so this is a test. My daughter has them on upstairs in the different doors closed, windows closed. Can you hear me? I'll see. Can you hear me well? I'm going to take the microphone up. Can you hear me pretty well, right? Okay, can you hear me now? Can you hear me just as clearly? Even with the microphone up here, you could hear pretty well. I love these. Yeah. All right, all in all, I'm really happy with it. I've had this Sena system probably for 2 months now on the back of my Protos helmet. I've climbed a ton with it. Works great, doesn't get in the way at all. A little bit heavy, but not a bother. The intercom system works well. I give it great reviews. It really changes tree work in all aspects. Even if you're doing groundwork, it's just nice to work together and just kind of talk, without flagging somebody down. So it's nice to have background music going, and then nice to communicate. Really nice when your groundman's in the tree. You don't have to yell or throw a pine cone at them. Another little piece I'll put in here. I actually called Sena and ordered a new clamp kit. So it's this clamp kit here and the 2 speakers and the microphone. It's really inexpensive. That clamp kit was only like 30 or 40 bucks. Then I installed it in my motorcycle helmet. I didn't get the Bluetooth deal, this one here. This is just one off my tree helmet. So you could just pull this thing off And then this expensive part, and then it just goes back on my tree helmet. So that was another nice thing. I didn't even think about that. The only thing I'd say on this, on the install, it was super easy. Actually, a lot easier on the motorcycle helmet than it was on the Protos helmet. So make sure you put it on the left side, so you keep your hand on the throttle and you could turn it up or down with your left hand. And then I just pulled out these cheek pads, routed it right down inside there. It sounds really good inside. I used to wear earbuds before, which were really a pain. So for very little, just a clamp kit, worked out great. So just one more thought I had. Hopefully that'll help somebody out. I didn't even know that existed until I called them. This has worked out really well. I give this thing 10 out of 10 on a review right here. I actually really like that it's the same transmitting unit, and my tree helmet is my motorcycle helmet. I don't have a lot of different things to select from my phone. I just pop it out of my tree helmet, click it into my motorcycle helmet, and the Bluetooth hooks up. Without a doubt, this is the best system I've ever had for music or anything phone inside of a motorcycle helmet. So this is the expensive part. So it's really easy to do multiple helmets with the same unit. I don't know if I knew that beforehand. I called them to see if there was any way to do that, and they said, oh yeah, just buy a second mounting unit. So I would give that a giant review. I really like that a lot. If you like that video, hit like, subscribe if you want to see more videos. This is TopSaw, all things wood, from tree work to woodwork. I do tree work on the weekends and teach high school during the week. So thank you for watching. I'd like to hear your comments below. Bye.